Hey, if you're a non-supervised adult like me, try this delicious recipe. And if you like breakfast and you like pizza, you're gonna love this breakfast pizza. Now the secret to this one is gonna be the crust. Buy that raw dough crust at Publix or Walmart or whatever local supermarket you can get to. They'll have it in their deli or their bakery. It's about $3 or something, and you can make 4 of these mini personal pizzas, or you can make one great big one. But I mean, I cut it in quarters, a little bit more, a little bit less, depending on how thick you want your crust. And you have to push it out with your fingers. Don't roll it out. Fold it over about 3 or 4 times and let it warm up, about 10-15 minutes at least, and then push it out with your fingers, and then build your pizza on top of it. And the second thing to make this great is to not put any grease down on your cookie sheet. Use cornmeal. That's going to create a surface that allows that crust to get perfect every time. And now this might be the hardest part of the whole process, and that's the dough. Let me work with this a minute. Still working on it. Use your fingers to spread it out from the center out, and just keep working at it till you get it to the size that you want. I'm gonna put it on this little pan here and put it in my toaster oven, so I kind of want it about this big. Just keep working on it. No, no, no. Do not oil your sheet. Cornmeal, Parmesan, small layer of cheese, soft cooked egg, a few onions, now the rest of your cheese. Pre-mixed Italian seasoning, and in she goes. Let's go for 15 minutes. Be right back. All right, you guys, so this part is important. You must let it rest before you cut it. And I like to let it rest on a wire rack, you know, just so you don't get any moisture underneath there. Nobody wants moisture. Listen to this. Well, let's try it. So if you got a unsupervised adult in your life that loves pizza and loves breakfast, why don't you combine them both and make it a breakfast pizza? Or maybe you're unsupervised. You just want it for yourself. I'm Summertime Kev. Don't forget to check out my channel, Delicious Feel Good Foods and Recipes, for more great recipes and great ideas and lots of fun stuff to cook and eat. Go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification button or a bell, whatever it might be, so you'll know next time I post and you can enjoy these great recipes with me.